Bubble answers every 2 pages instead of right after you solve each question. It saves tons of time. Try it. When plugging in answer choices, start with B or C. In this case, since plugging in C results in an answer less than 3, and D is the only choice greater than C, we know that D is correct without even having to test it. Instead of picking the right answer, try to eliminate the 3 answer choices that are definitely wrong. It takes out the subjective element and helps you think like the test makers. Harder questions come at the end of the SAT, so don't get too relaxed in the beginning of the test. Don't review vocab, instead review roots, suffixes, and prefixes. It's far more efficient. Take as many practice tests as you can. Use the 10 College Board practice tests, then use the Reddit QAS test. Record and understand every single question you get wrong. Resolve them later, twice. Diagnose your weaker question types or sections and practice them on Khan Academy. Consider buying or borrowing an SAT book on your weakest section. Actually use it. You already paid for it. Take the PSAT. Be mentally prepared to skip hard questions and come back to them later. Just don't get stuck. Make a study schedule. Turn off your phone. Learn the directions for each section. It saves time. Ask the proctor to seat you in the front corner. It's less distracting. Bribe yourself into studying. Get your parents to bribe you into studying. Make sure that your calculator is permitted. Get a TI Inspire and learn how to use it. Watch my TI Inspire calculator guide to learn fast SAT hacks. Get an approved watch you can use to keep track of time. Get a study partner. Teach them how to solve SAT questions. You will remember the concept much longer. Don't change an answer unless you're pretty sure it's wrong. It wastes time. If you have money, get a tutor or enroll in a course. Bring an energy boosting snack or caffeine on test day.
What's up everybody, I'm Mark, and if you would like to see more student related content, please subscribe down below and I will see you in the next video.